Hello, welcome back to part something I don't even know these days of Starcraft 2 editor. So now I'm going to be covering doodads. So it's kind of just really basic because there are some things that are a lot more complicated, but these are basically kind of things that your player can sort of interact with. But I can place barrels, for example. Just a bunch of barrels for some reason. Destroy billboards. You can also do tree. Here we go. Actually, that's not what I wanted. I wanted here. This is where they are. Trees. And they also are actually different depending on the environment you place them on. So if we go to here, I believe this is with these kind of trees. Or I might be mixing it up with foliage. But if I paint some of that right there. Let me just make the increment up a little bit more. If I paint that right there and go back to doodads and just take a tree, I believe, I'm not sure. I believe it is different depending on the environment you place it on, or I think I'm mixing it up with foliage that I did not cover because it's kind of complicated for now. But anyways, there are some trees you can place. So this video is kind of short, so maybe I should add a bit more. You can kind of, filter it by like props, and then we can find things like the base drill. Just have things kind of like that. You can always, like scale this up with the thing right there because it's kind of in the ground right now. I actually don't like this. You can click on it and just press delete, and it will just go away. What's another example? Hybrid cannons. Just kind of place things like that. Kind of make your thing look a bit nicer. Just have, stairs, whatever. I'll show you one more thing. Maybe some, like, energy fields. Things like that. Much later on, we'll go and we'll also those wave and stuff like that. I'll show you how we can test it and stuff much later on. But basically, those are doodads. They basically are what they are, doodads. Just little things you can place to try and, make your map seem a little more alive. Try not to place too much though, because otherwise it will make it so that it will take super long to load in, and I doubt you want the players waiting years at the loading station. And it will also be a lot more to download, and 500 megabyte thing isn't as attractive as a 10 megabyte thing. So yeah, those are doodads. Thanks for watching.